Namaste Annyeonghaseyo. I'm your Indian Chingu. So today we are going to discuss about one of the world's most efficient writing system, Hangul, means Korean alphabet. If we talk about the vowels, there are two type of vowel, basic vowel and double or complex vowels. Same for the consonants. Let's look at the history of Hangul. Hangul system was developed by King Sejong, the fourth king of Joseon dynasty, in 1443 to improve Korean literacy. Now you know that Korean use their own unique alphabet called Hangul. Please remember one thing, before Hangul, Korean used Hanja, that is classical Chinese character, as their writing system. There are 19 consonants and 21 vowels in Hangul. So basically Korean language is spoken by more than 81 million people living in South Korea, North Korea and all over the world. Now we are going to learn vowels, Korean vowels. So there are 10 basic vowels and 11 complex vowels in Hangul. Don't worry, I will explain each and every vowel in detail. So please watch till the end. Before going to start, I just wanna say don't depend too much in English notation sound, because it's just a way to learn Korean vowels and Korean alphabets. I know it's a little bit difficult to understand. Remember that practice makes you perfect. So let's start. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, E. So these are the vowels that occur right side of the consonant, that are A, Ya, O, Yo, E. And these are the vowels that occur under the consonants, that are O, Yo, U, U. And this is the most important thing you have to know about the construction of Korean words.
A, A, A.
And it's your practice time. You have to pronounce it, you have to practice it. And your time starts now. So basically it is similar to Hindi word A se aam, and English word banana, A in banana, banana, A se aam.
Ya, Ya, Ya.
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. So this vowel is similar to Hindi word yar, ya in yar. Yar is a informal way to say friend, and it is similar to English word Yahoo, ya in Yahoo, ya.
O, O, O.
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. So this vowel is similar to the Hindi word o say aurat, o in aurat, and in English audience, o in audience. Basically aurat means woman in English language. The pronunciation of this vowel is o.
Yo, Yo, Yo.
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. The pronunciation of this vowel is yo, and this vowel is similar to the Hindi word Yauvan. Yaw in Yauvan. Basically, Yauvan means youth.
O O O
Now it's your time to practice. The pronunciation of this vowel is O, O, O. This pronunciation is similar to English word like when we say O, O. And it is also similar to Hindi word O, O. And remember one thing, there is a difference between O and O. Both pronunciation are different, O and O.
Yo Yo Yo
I know you can do it, so let's go for it. The pronunciation of this vowel is similar to the word yoga, yo in yoga. The pronunciation of this vowel is yo, yo, yo. Please remember one thing, there is a difference between you and yo. You and yo.
U U U
Now please pronounce it by yourself. So basically its pronunciation is similar to oo in food, English word food, oo in food, and Hindi word oo in ugna, oo in ugna. And again please remember one thing, there is a difference between oo and o, oo and o, and its pronunciation is oo, oo.
U U U
I know you can do it, so let's start. The pronunciation of this vowel is similar to English word you. You means tum. And please be careful when you use you and yo. You and yo. Both vowel have different pronunciation. So be careful. When you use you and yo, vowels both are different.
U U U
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. It has a unique pronunciation like not totally e, not totally u, not totally a. It's a pronunciation between a and u, a and u. So it goes like I know it's difficult first time, but I know you can do it.
E E E
It is similar to pronounce it, and I know, I can believe you can do it. The pronunciation of this vowel is similar to the Hindi word yakin, ki, e in yakin, and English pronunciation believe, e in believe. Yakin means believe, so its pronunciation is e, e, e. It is easy to remember and it is very easy to write. So there are some examples related to basic vowels. And wait for a minute, you don't have to worry about like I don't know how to write Korean words. I will make a separate video on it. So it is just a example to know the basic vowels, how to write it. So these are some examples. I means child, bacha.
Oi. Oi means cucumber, kheera. Uyu. Uyu means milk, doodh. E. E means to, do.
I will definitely teach you Korean consonant and double consonant further, but if you wanted to know it in deeply in detail, so please check out this playlist, link in description box. Double vowels: a, ye, ye, wa, wo, ve, ve, we, there are some vowels that occur right side of the consonant, so these are the consonant that occur right side of the consonant, and some are consonant which occur under and right side of the consonant at the same time. Remember one thing, complex vowel and double vowels both are same. So complex vowel is a mixture of two simple vowels, or we can say it is a mixture of two basic vowel.
E. E. E.
Now you have to pronounce it and your time starts now. The pronunciation of this vowel is similar to A in when we pronounce care, care, A in care, and it is similar to Hindi pronunciation A in vowel, Hindi vowel, A in Hindi. Again, I'm repeating, its pronunciation is A.
E. E. E.
It is similar to pronounce it, and I know, I can believe you can do it. So its pronunciation is similar to English word egg, A in egg, A in egg. Both are similar pronunciation, but it is a minor difference between them. A. So it is similar to egg, A in egg. The pronunciation of this vowel is A.
Ye. Ye. Ye.
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. Korean vowels or Korean alphabets little bit difficult for the English speaker, but for Hindi speaker it is simpler because it is matching words. So this pronunciation is similar to Yankee, yeah in Yankee.
Ye. 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 Ye.
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. So this pronunciation is similar to ye in English word yes, ye in yes, or Hindi word ye means this in Hindi, ye in yes. The pronunciation of this vowel is ye.
Wa. Wa. Wa.
Now you have to give a try and your time starts now. So this pronunciation is similar to English word swallow, wa in swallow, wa. The pronunciation of this vowel is wa. I know complex vowels is little bit difficult to understand in first attempt, but please try. It takes your time, so please practice much as you can.
wa wa wa
It is similar to pronounce it, and I know, I can believe you can do it. This pronunciation is similar to "wo" in wonder. When we say wonder, wonderful, English, it is an English word. When we say wonder, the pronunciation of "wo" is similar.
we we we
Now you have to give a try, and your time starts now. So this pronunciation is similar to "we" in wax, "we" in wax. And please try to focus on how to write this vowel and how to pronounce it, because pronunciation and the writing system, it is very important to know, and it is a very minor mistake that people make it while learning the Korean language.
we we we
Now you have to give a try, and your time starts now. And this vowel has a strong pronunciation than compared to "we." It has a stronger pronunciation like "we," "we," "we" in "wet." It is similar to English word "wet," "we," "we" in "wet." The pronunciation is little bit similar, but the writing way both are different way.
we we we
It is similar to pronounce it, and I know, I can believe you can do it. This pronunciation is similar to English word "we." When we say we means hum in Hindi language. We in we. And if we talk about Hindi word, then it is veer. We in veer.
we we we
Now you have to give a try, and your time starts now. To be honest, this pronunciation has a unique pronunciation like "ui," "ui." But if you are English speaker, then for you it may be difficult to pronounce. But for example, like "kui." Let's see some example. Where means why, kyun, Wang, king, raja. Now we are going to learn some consonants, all consonants, sorry. Kiok, neon, digat, real, miam, bhiyap, siot, iyang, jiat, chiat, kiok, thiat, phiyap, hiat, So this is a way to how to write Korean consonants. So please stop the screen and look at these consonants. There are 5 double consonants: Sanghyok, Sangdigat, Sangbhyap, Sangsiot, Sangjiat. Please pause the screen and look at these consonants and pronounce it loudly. Practice it much as you can. So practice makes you perfect. Please check out this playlist. In this playlist you can learn every consonant in detail. So please must go and check out. Thanks for watching. Kamsahamnida. Dhanyavad. And please show your love and your support towards my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care of yourself. Love yourself. Bye.